Hey guys, before you start working on my component of your final project, I do want to give you a short direction on how to see if you shared your Google Drive folder with me. So I want to just make sure you shared it with me so I can access all your other previous research and all your other previous projects. Make sure you're on the right track. So I did receive many folders from you already, but if I didn't receive it from you already, here's a quick way to check to see if you shared it with me or not. So if you go to someone's folder, or if you go to your folder, I should say, and if you click on this little person button right here, if you hover over it, it should tell you everyone who has access to your folder. Okay. So check to make sure my name is on that list. You can also click on the little share button and you can hit shared with, and you can also go here to see if I am listed in your folder so that I can access it. So check that and make sure you see my name. If you don't, you can easily just invite me by typing in my name or my email address, and you can send that to me. Um, Other than that, enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to our project starting on Monday. Thanks, guys.